Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while updating Windows 11 with the security update of KB50720033. You are not able to either download or install these updates. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, let's start with the basic troubleshooting steps. Click on Start menu, type CMD and choose the option Run as Administrator. Now in CMD, you need to type in two commands one by one. First one is sfc /scan now and then hit the enter key. Wait for this command to finish scanning your system. Once it is completed, again right into the CMD, you need to type in another command, which is dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health and then hit the enter key. In order to save time, I have started both the commands simultaneously, but make sure you perform these two commands one by one. Once done, try to update again and hopefully the issue will be fixed. If this failed to work out, let's proceed with the second step. In second step, you need to head over to settings menu, choose Windows Update. Now in Windows Update, do not update your Windows by clicking on the option download and install. You need to click on the option download and install one by one, starting from the bottom. Once each update is installed, only then you will be able to install the KB update 50720033. Although, if this also failed, then you need to scroll down and click on the option update history. Now in update history, again scroll down and click on the option recovery. Now click on the option fix problem using Windows Update and click on the option reinstall now. This will take some time and your system may restart, and once your system restarted, the issue of update not installing with the KB update 50720033 will be completely fixed out. Now if both these methods fail to work out, lastly open up your web browser and here is the Windows catalog update site. Right in the search box, you need to type in the update, which is KB50720033. Once enter, hit the enter key and here is the update available. Click on this option to download the update right into your system. Now here are both the updates. Click on both the links one by one to save the update file right into your system. Once downloaded, install these updates and you will be able to install the update without any kind of issue. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.